Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Hey, just doing a quick vlog on my CB350 Honda Highness. Just riding in the city at this point in time. So especially would like to talk a little bit about the lights on this particular bike, right? So guys, with respect to the lighting, I hope you are able to see my view angle quite well, and I'm just going to show you how bright the light is. So guys, now currently running on the low beam of the bike. So you can see this is pretty much the low beam is illuminating the road, so quite decent. And when this is a high beam, so definitely there is a throw which is going a further, so high beam is definitely good overall. So guys, another thing like to mention that I've owned many bikes in last 25 years. So this is one of the best stock headlamps what I've seen on a bike, right, in terms of lighting. So yeah, it's quite good and adequate for city riding. But yes, if you are someone who likes to do a lot of touring in the nights and ride in very dark places, etc., so you may want to get a pair of aux lamps which will enhance the overall visibility. So yeah, so seems like we have hit a signal here. Let's hopefully it gets cleared soon. And guys, yeah, riding in the traffic, this particular bike is super easy. One word I would like to say is it's a very easy riding bike. So this bike truly reminds me of the easy riding experience what the olden days 100cc bikes used to provide, like Splendor, RX100, etc. So very easy riding, guys. So the seating, stance, etc. is so comfortable, so relaxed, so absolutely effortless. Yeah, only when vehicles are coming in the opposite direction with more powerful lights, yes, there is a glaring effect, and that is something which is anyway expected to be there. So yeah. So guys, please watch this space for some exciting videos what I and Pradeep are going to shoot tomorrow during our ride. So tomorrow is Sunday, and we do our breakfast ride Sunday morning, and tomorrow we are going towards a place called Dhruvatare, which is near on the Mangalore highway towards Kunigal. So some exciting videos what we have planned for you guys. So please stay tuned in and watch those videos and let us know your thoughts, comments, suggestions, questions, and importantly guys, also let us know what are the kind of videos you like to see in future. So it could be about Honda CB350 or any other aspects of bike. So guys, both of us, me and Pradeep, have 25 years of close to 25 years of riding experience. So and I am very much hands-on with bike as well. I do most of the bike maintenance on my own, but yeah, if it's a brand new bike, better to leave it to the manufacturer for the warranty purposes. So guys, as you see, I have completed 754 kilometers and the spanner symbol is coming on, so that indicates that it's a service due. So the first service is due between 750 to 1000 kilometers. So yeah, that will be another video guys on Monday. We have scheduled our service for Monday morning, and yeah, I'll be letting you know my thoughts about the service, cost, how the service was done, etc, etc. So yeah, please stay tuned in and let us know what you feel about it. Thank you.